This year, Navajo Technical University and Diné College proudly joined together at the 2025 Northern Navajo Nation Parade to share one powerful message: the importance of higher education for our Diné people. Side by side, both institutions celebrated unity, culture, and the opportunities that education brings to our communities. From students and alumni to families and elders, everyone came out to show their pride and support for the next generation of Navajo scholars and leaders. Navajo Technical University is honored to stand alongside Diné College as we continue to inspire, educate, and uplift our nation. Through higher education, we strengthen our future, our identity, and our nation together.